Today we're going to be making something sharp and pointy, and it's not a knife. I say we because I'm here with my good buddy Mike with Adventure Fever, and we're going to be making him a fish gig. If you like the outdoors, fishing, hunting, camping, bushcraft, survival, all that kind of stuff, you're going to love his channel, and I'll leave a link in the description to his channel. So right now we're going to get to working on this thing, kind of working outside of my box. I make knives, not much blacksmithing stuff. But that's what makes this stuff so much fun to me. So Mike, are you ready?
Let's do this.
So the plan is to take this piece of pipe, and I've got a piece of tool steel. It's actually some spring steel. We're going to put it in the pipe and forge weld it. This is a non-traditional way of doing it, but I've seen somebody else do it on YouTube, and I apologize right now. I can't remember their name, but I'll find it and link it in the description. But I thought it's a very cool idea. Instead of doing the forging out and making it real wide and making your socket by rolling it, we're going to use this piece of pipe. So what I'm going to do is come in here and drive this tool steel into the pipe, then tack weld it around or weld it around, put it in the forge and get it up to welding heat and forge weld it. Now we'll have to get a little higher heat because this is a mild steel pipe and we're going to be welding to this tool steel. Then we'll draw this down, try to taper this a little, flatten it out, and start making our fish gig. What you think, Mike?
Well, I'm super excited. I can't wait to hear the sound of it crunching through those fish and then the smell of that grease when I drop them off in it.
Me too. I can't wait to see what you do with it. Well, it's definitely rustic, but that's what you wanted. Definitely out of the box for me, something totally different, but it's fun. Don't forget to go check out Mike at Adventure Fever. I'm gonna leave a link to his channel in the description. I want to thank my patrons, and I want to thank you for watching. Mike, here you go.